PC210 thermal imager infrared camera. For orders, please check video description. This is the video you must watch, and at the same time I discuss about this product in details. Okay, PC210 thermal imager infrared camera, thermographic camera. This one is pixels for search, heat loss, leak inspection, electronic repair. Okay, thermographic camera. 36 sold, 8 reviews, and ratings 5 out of 5. 44% off. This is the actual price, $498 US. After 44% discount, this is the discount price, $275 US. Wide application. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description for image modes. Okay, shear, sharp ire, and rugged and durable. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check video description.